In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage supplier contacts in Xero. First, log into your Xero account so you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the top navigation and click Contacts. In the drop-down, select Suppliers. This opens the Suppliers page, which is your central hub for managing every company you buy from. Take a moment to review the Suppliers page layout. You'll see a list of supplier contacts with key details like balances and recent activity. This is a great place to get a quick sense of who you owe and what's outstanding. If you're looking for someone specific, use the search bar at the top. Type in part of the supplier's name and the list will filter instantly, making it easy to jump to the right record without scrolling. When you need to add a new supplier, click New Contact. A form will open where you can enter their essential details. Keep the information accurate and consistent so bills and payments line up smoothly across your reports later. For managing multiple suppliers at once, go to the three-dot menu in the top right. Choose Import to upload supplier contacts in bulk. This is handy if you're moving from another system or starting fresh with a prepared list. Make sure your file is clean and matches the fields Xero expects to avoid mapping issues. In that same menu, select Export to download your current supplier list. Exporting is useful for backups, audits, or sharing with a team member who needs a quick reference. On the Suppliers page, you can also use Send Statements to send supplier statements. These statements summarize account activity and outstanding amounts, helping keep your records aligned with your supplier's records. It's a good habit to send statements regularly, especially if you manage a high volume of purchases. As you work through your list, regularly review supplier contact details to confirm they're up to date. Consistent names and references reduce duplicates and make reporting cleaner. To keep things organized, use Add to Group to categorize suppliers into logical collections, such as by region, category, or priority. Groups make filtering and reporting far more efficient. If you spot duplicate entries for the same supplier, use Merge to combine duplicate supplier contacts. This keeps history together and avoids confusion when you're entering bills or running reports. Finally, when a supplier is no longer active, click Archive to archive supplier contacts. Archiving removes them from your day-to-day lists without deleting past activity, helping keep your records tidy while preserving your history. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate, add, organize, import, export, send statements, merge, and archive supplier contacts in Xero.